Hi, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I want to show you, this is in the this crinkled seam binding. It's Whisper White. It's 1/4 of an inch. It's in the catalog, the mini catalog for spring and summer. And I just want to show you how this one roll can bring you every single color of Stampin' Up's ribbon. Just one roll. So what I'd like to show you is there are a couple of different ways you can make different colors. So let's bring this up so you can see it. Okay, so first off, we're just going to take a couple pieces of ribbon, make it enough so I can use it in some bows. Okay, so I've got Whisper White ribbon sitting here. I want to make it Poppy Parade. So I've got one of my blender pens. Now you can also use your Stampin Write marker, but I've got the blender pen. And I'm going to take the brush end to the blender pen. Now, and again, whatever color we want, I've got the dark Poppy Parade, and I am just going to color this. Make sure you do it on something because it does get a little bit, you can hear the rain, can't you? I was hoping it would back off right now. There you go. With this, you just give it a few minutes to dry. And it's like that. Now I want to show you another one. I want to do the next one. I want to do it Old Olive. So I've got the Old Olive reinker, and I got a plastic container. Now you can use anything. You can use a bowl. You can use anything that won't leak. So I'm just going to put some reinker in here. Now you can use it full strength and dip the piece of ribbon in there, or you can add some water. Remember, it's the same as watercoloring. The more water you add, the lighter the color gets. Okay. And I am just going to bunch up the ribbon and put it in there, and make sure all the ribbon gets now. This one's going to take a little more to dry. This one's already dry. The Poppy Parade is already dry. This one is going to take a little more to dry. So you just lay it out and let it dry. And then you will have your second ribbon. And you could do a bunch of ribbon. You could even, if you wanted to do a full roll, you get something big enough and just dump the whole roll in. And then what you can also do is you can use this. Where's my, I know I have a piece of watercolor paper. You can use it to watercolor if you have any left over. There you go. So using this is the 1/4 inch Whisper White Crinkled cream seam binding in the mini catalog. All the information is down below to get that, and just follow me on YouTube for other great tips and techniques. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.